Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing another video, and I know this is not my recording day. Today, okay, before I say anything, like a couple weeks ago, I got another slime kit, and it showed a box, and this time it really came in a box. And yeah, I'm gonna see if this box is worth it. Costed $10. It says borax free, slimy fun. Let's see if it is fun. Whoa! Looks pretty good. Here, let me open it. Okay, of course it comes in a book. Her super slimy formulas. Guys, it actually is. I'm just so excited. So it comes with 3 powder, and it comes with a funnel. I'm gonna keep this, and a measuring spoon. So this side is 1.5 teaspoon. This side is 1/4 teaspoon. And it comes with, a tube and another tube. And oh, I love this. It's where you squeeze this and get the stuff out. I like this. And a mixing tool. Look at how small this is. Okay, I don't have a mixing bowl. Let me get that. Okay guys, I'm back with the bowl. Now what do I do? Here, guess the instructions. Because all this is powder. What am I supposed to do with powder? Okay, let me just read it real quick, and I'll be right back, and I'll know how to make it. Okay guys, I found out that this was not the instructions. This book was, obviously, it comes with the book. And so here are the slimes: slime, simple slime, magnetic slime, glowing slime blob, and diaper slime. So let's try glowing slime blob. So 12, number 12. Here, 12, okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Green glow in the dark slime powder. So I'm guessing this. Reusable Ziploc plastic bag. Who puts their slime in a Ziploc bag? I'm gonna use this. Test tube and water. Oh, I got water right here. And I'm too lazy to get up again. What you do, dump all of the slime powder into the plastic bag. Nope, I'm gonna use the bowl. That's why I got the bowl. I'm not going back down. Okay, I'll be right back from my sister's room. Okay guys, I'm back with the scissors. Boom. See all the dust coming out. Okay guys, so the next step says to fill the test tube with all the way to the 10th line. So I'm gonna do that and dump it into the bag. But I have a bowl, so I'm gonna do the bowl. Hope this works, because if it needs to be in a bag, then I guess I messed up. Okay, so this is the 10th. And so here's what it looks like now. I'm trying not to spill. Okay, and I think I should mix it now. It's turning into goop. This is not slime. Well, I don't know if I'm done yet. It smells bad. It smells so bad. It feels like Play-Doh too. Seal the bag. Then use your fingers to gently squeeze the mixture together until it forms a thick slime. Let the bag sit under a light for a few minutes. Take the slime bag out and take it into a dark place. Oh, it glows. Okay, so since I don't have a bag, use my idea bag. I don't use it anyway, so yeah. I'm gonna get another Ziploc bag for that one, because I'm not gonna put my ideas in there. Okay. Oh, Oh, there's still more. I don't know. Okay, now, it smells so bad. Okay, now. Okay, so now I'm gonna leave this aside and make another one. One more. This is it. Here. So open this. Cut this. Oh, the final. Okay, here. Okay, guys, this thing took forever to fill up. I kind of did this with some of it, but it doesn't matter. Now what? Oh, it's upside down. Okay. Oh, shoot. Well, looks like I didn't read the instructions. It says, fill the test tube up to the 3rd mark. I filled it out all the way past the 10. Look! The 3rd mark is like over there. I mean, not funnel, but like tube. OMG, it's making a mess. Okay, now, freaking, all set. Remove the funnel, done, and dump the powder into the mixing well in your lab tray. Well, what's the freaking point of having the measuring thing? Oh my goodness. It's been like a freaking hour putting it in the measuring. There. Here. Now fill the test tube to the 10 mark with water. Oh, pour the water into the mixing well. Do this 2 more times. So that's a lot of water. Oh, okay. Here, 10th. And does it mean like do the powder thing 2 more times and like do the powder again and this again? I don't know. So I'll just make this one. Okay, this slime sucks. Well, I guess I can't judge it until it's done. Okay, I'm done. Use the stir end of the combo tool. Mix it up. Stir until the powder dissolves. You should get a nice slimy goop when you're done. Man, this is like literally nothing. You know what? I'm adding the whole thing. What's the point of keeping this powder anyway? Useless. Freaking useless. And I'm gonna fill it up just a little. That's a lot. And anyways, guys, this is a freaking thumbs down. Never mind. Let me see this one. Yep, it's a thumbs down. No working. Let's try this one. Let's see what this is. It's like freaking rubber. Freaking rubber. Dang. Look, is this slime? Oh my gosh, I'm just getting mad. Freaking $10. $10 for nothing. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this messy and not worth it video. This didn't even come in handy. At least I get to use it. And yeah, if you want to see more slime kit unboxing like this, then make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, peace.